Hello, good morning, children. I welcome you to the new class of Google Classroom, that is EVS. You would be thinking today what we are going to learn today, as we have completed the explanation of chapter 4, that is birds. And in the writing part, we have done the exercises of book. So what is left? Only to write the question answer. So what we will do? What we will learn today? Can anyone guess? Yes, today we will do the recapitulation of the chapter 4. Here the name of our chapter 4 is birds. Recapitulation, we will learn many topics. The topics were how birds fly, about their feathers, about the flights of birds, beaks, their feet, and nesting. I'll start with number 1, how birds fly. चिड़िया कैसे उड़ती है उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. About feathers, it means what type of feathers they have and how do they fly with the help of feathers and wings, that we will see. Flights of birds, in this we will see how do they fly. Okay, next is beak, how their beak helps them. Next, feet, how their feet help them. And last is nesting, they prepare nest to protect their babies from unfavorable conditions. So let's start. First topic is how birds fly. Birds fly with different features, and the special body features are light body, boat shaped body, feathers, tail, and movement of wings. Light body means their bones are hollow, so their body became very light in weight. Boat shaped body, they have streamlined body which helps them to fly easily in the sky. Feathers, the wings have feathers attached to them which help birds fly high in the sky. Tail, the tail of a bird helps it to change the direction while flying. Movement of wings, in this we have 2 points, downstroke and the upstroke. Birds flutter their wings when they want to fly, and they flutter their wings in 2 directions. First is downstroke, second upstroke. You would have seen, children, when the wings move downwards and backwards, that is known as downstroke, and when the wing moves upwards and forward, that is known as upstroke. So this is the movement of wings. Next, children, we learn about feathers. You all know that our body is covered with muscles, and above that we have skin. Likewise, a bird's body is covered with feathers. The feathers are of 3 types: down feathers, flight feathers, and body feathers. Down feathers cover the entire body of a bird and keep them warm, and these down feathers are very soft, very small and fluffy. Flight feathers, they help the birds to fly. Body feathers, they cover the entire body of a bird and give it a shape. इससे क्या होता है, जिससे birds को shape मिलता है. Next we learn flight of birds. First point, some birds fly long distance. It means there are few birds who travel or fly from one country to another country to avoid their unfavorable condition, and in search of a good climatic condition or the favorable condition, they move to different countries. Next point, some birds fly at low height. This means some birds fly at a very low height, मतलब वो बहुत ज़्यादा ऊंचा नहीं उड़ते हैं, like crow, sparrow, pigeon. These are the birds which fly at low height. Some birds fly very high. Yes, some birds fly very high like aeroplanes. You would have seen aeroplanes flying in the sky. The birds like eagle, kite, vulture, these birds fly very high in the sky. And some are flightless bird. What a flightless bird? The birds which do not fly. कुछ birds ऐसे हैं जो उड़ नहीं सकते. They do not fly. It doesn't mean that they don't have feathers. They have feathers in their body, but some birds are very big in size that they cannot fly because their body weight is too heavy. So these birds are known as flightless birds. For example, ostrich, emu, kiwi, penguin. Penguin is a bird which is small in size, but it has the feathers, or you can call it as flippers, which helps them to swim in water. Children, our next topic, I will not tell the next topic. With the given picture, you can easily identify what is our next topic. Yes, here you can see many birds with the different types of beaks they have. Here given example are of duck, curlew, heron, spoonbill, warbler, parrot, woodpecker, pelican, eagle, blackbird, falcon, sparrow, finch. These are the different birds with different types of beaks. And what are the different types of beaks they have? We will see now. See, first is hard and sharp beak. This type of beak is found in eagle and vulture. And how does it help them? To tear the flesh of animals. Next, short and strong beak. This type of beak is found in sparrow and pigeon. It helps them to crush grains and seeds. Third, we have curved beak. You would have seen the curved beak of a parrot. It looks very pretty in red color, and the parrot is green in color. And this combination looks very pretty. And this curved beak helps parrot to crack nuts. Fourth one, strong and heavy. This type of beak is found in woodpecker. It helps it to tap bark of trees. Bark of trees मतलब पेड़ों की जो छाल होती है, जो पेड़ों का जो outer layer होता है, that is known as a bark of tree. And woodpecker, with the help of this strong and heavy beak, tap to the bark so that it can make a hole. It can make a hole inside the bark. And what will it do with the hole? We will see later on. Next, short and straight beak, which is found in swallow. They scoop insects out of the air. It means when this bird fly, it keeps its mouth open, and automatically what happens? The insect gets into its mouth. Next is long, slender and curved beak is found in hope. And what does it do? It helps to pull insects from the holes in the ground. In the video which I have shared, you would have seen. Yes, seventh one, broad and flat beak is found in duck to catch worm, insects from water. And ducks have a hole in their beaks, which works as a strainer. Last one, long and straight beak. This type of beak is found in herons to catch fish. Children, now you can easily guess what is our next topic, what the next we are going to revise. It is feet. We are going to learn or recapitulate about feet. In the picture here given many types of feet of different birds. So let's start. Let's see. Walking on mud. Which bird walks on mud? Heron. It catches fish. Next, grasping hold of prey. It is eagle. Next, perching. Sparrow. Next, gripping onto bark. That is woodpecker. Paddling along on water. It is duck. Duck has webbed feet, and this webbed feet helps duck to swim in water. Hopping and clinging onto branches. That is pigeon. Pigeon hops and goes from branch to branch. That is pigeon. Now in detail we will see. Feet. Perching bird. Example here given. Crow. Perch on branches. Perch means वो branches पे बैठते हैं. And what type of feet they have? 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Next, wading bird. Heron and egret. They have long legs, and their long legs prevents the bird from sinking in the mud. Next, climbing bird. That is woodpecker. Just now I told you what does woodpecker do? It peck at the bark of trees. And what type of feet it has? 2 toes in front and 2 at the back. You would have seen just now in the picture what type of feet woodpecker has. Next is swimming bird. It is duck. Its feet acts as oars. Oars means patwar. Patwar क्या होती है? You would have seen picture of boat, a person having a long stick in his hand, and in his hand with the stick you can see a plate like or a flat structure that is known as oar. उसको हिंदी में पतवार कहते हैं. तुमने देखा होगा लंबी लकड़ी रहती है, डंडा रहता है, उसमें प्लेट जैसा लगा रहता है. That is known as oar. And how does it help? It helps to push back water. And in this way, duck swims in water. Next is flesh-eating bird. What is a flesh-eating bird? Eagle, falcon, kite, vulture. Here 2 are given. And they have strong, sharp and large claws. And that claws are known as talons. And how does it help them? It helps them to catch a running animal. Okay. Next are the scratching birds. Scratch करना मतलब खुरचना. And hence are the scratching birds. They scratch the soil to find grains. Here hens and cocks both scratch the soil to find grains and they eat as food. Children, our last topic is nesting. Nesting means what type of nests bird make. Like चिड़िया किस तरीके का अपना घोंसला बनाती है. You would have learned and seen different birds make different types of nest. So here we are going to see first about cup nest, which is being made by bulbul, and it makes it nest in hedges and bushes, and it looks like a deep cup to keep the baby safe from falling down. Second, weaver bird's nest. Weaver bird uses its strong beak to weave, and nest look like a funnel or a pouch. उसका जो opening होती है वो नीचे से होती है, and from inside it is very soft and cozy to keep the baby safe. Next, cavity nest. It is being made by woodpecker and bluebirds. Woodpecker pecks with sharp beak, and with its chips of wood it makes its nest, and with the help of that chips only it makes its bed so soft for the small babies. Tailor bird's nest. Tailor bird stitches 2 broad leaves. जैसे हम दो कपड़ों को मिला के बीच में सिल देते हैं, उसी तरीके से टेलर बर्ड 2 बड़े पत्तों को लेके बीच से वो सिल देती है. And how does it sew? With the help of cotton, hair or wool. Last one, platform nest. Platform nest is being made by crows, eagle. and this type of nest is mostly flat. ये बहुत ही flat होता है and which is supported by twigs and branches on large tree top. मतलब ये पेड़ों के, बड़े पेड़ों के एकदम ऊपर वाले हिस्से में अपना घोंसला बनाते हैं. Next, few more are given of sparrow, kingfisher, spotted owl, vulture, and these birds also make the nest like these birds only. Next, we will learn about important terms. Children, here are few important terms given in your book. First one is talons, means large sharp curved nails or claws which are found in eagle and vulture. Perch, to settle firmly on a branch. Fledglings, young ones of birds. Weave means interlacing threads of any kind. Weave मतलब हिंदी में होता है सिलना, जो कि वो टेलर बर्ड करती है. I hope this topic is clear to you. Along with this video, in the attachment file, I am giving question and answers. So you are supposed to write it down in your notebook with a good handwriting with the proper date and topic. So have a good day.